Okay children, open page number 9. In that question number 22, do the following divisions. So here some divisions are given, so we have to solve it. See here children, first one is 8500 and 8456 divided by 8. See here 8456 is a dividend, we call it as dividend. Okay, 8456 is a dividend, and here 8 is called divisor. Okay, see here we have to place the divisor in the left side. Okay children, so see here 84 is there, 84. So in 8 table 84 how many times? In 84, see here 8 into 5 is equal to 40, 8 into 6 is equal to 48, 8 into 7 is equal to 56, and 8 into 8 is equal to 64, 8 into 9 is equal to 72, 8 into 10 equal to 80, and 8 into 11 is equal to 88. So see here children, if you see here 84 is in between 80 and 88. That's why we have to take the nearer smaller value. మనం ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలంటే 84కి దగ్గరగా ఉన్న 84 కన్నా చిన్న వాల్యూని తీసుకోవాలి. 84కి దగ్గరగా ఉండాలి అండ్ 84కి తక్కువగా ఉండాలి. ఓకే, సో ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ 10 times 8 into 10. So we have to write 10 here. Now multiply 8 into 0 and 8 into 1 8. So 80. Now we have to do subtraction here. మనం ఇక్కడ subtraction చేయాలి. 84 minus 80. 4 minus 0 4 and 8 minus 8 0. Okay children, here we get 4. Okay, now we have to take this 5 to here. మనం ఈ 5 ని కిందకి తెచ్చుకుంటే ఇది 45 అవుతుంది. 45. See here 45 is in between 40 and 48. 8 into 5 is equal to 40, 8 into 6 is equal to 48. సో మనం ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి, 45కి నియర్గా దగ్గరగా ఉన్న వాల్యూ తీసుకోవాలి అండ్ అది 45 కన్నా తక్కువగా ఉండాలి. సో ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ 5 times 8 into 5 is equal to 40. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. So 45 minus 5 is equal to 40 is equal to 5 we get. 5 minus 0 5 and 4 minus 4 0. Okay, I am taking this carry to here 6 here. Okay children, now we get 56. See here, this is 8 into 7 is equal to 56. Now I am taking 7 times 8 into 7 multiply 8 into 7 56. 56 minus 56 0. Okay, 56 minus 56 0. See here, it is dividend and it is divisor. This is called quotient. Okay, quotient, and this 0 is called remainder. Okay children, ఈ బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. This is called dividend and 8 is called divisor, and the one which is on right side right here is called quotient, and this 0 is called remainder. Okay children, okay, see second one, 5775 divided by 11. So 11 is divisor and dividend is 5775. See here children, write 11 table here. 11 into 1 equal to 11, 11 into 2 is equal to 22, 11 into 3 is equal to 33, 11 into 4 is equal to 44, 11 into 5 is equal to 55, 11 into 6 is equal to 66, 11 into 7 is equal to 77, 11 into 8 is equal to 88. Okay, here we have 57. 1 into 57 ఉంది. So 57 is in between 55 and 66. 55 and 66. So 57 కి nearer గా దగ్గరగా ఉన్న వాల్యూ ఏది 55. So we have to take 5 times. 11 into 5. 11 into 5 is equal to 55. Now take subtraction here. Okay, 7 minus 5 0. Sorry, 7 minus 5 2 and 5 minus 5 0. Okay, now take this carry 7 to here, it becomes 27. See here, 27 is in between 22 and 33. So I am taking 2 times. 11 into 2 what? 11 into 2 22. Now do subtraction here. Okay, 7 minus 2 5, 2 minus 2 0. Okay children, now I am taking this 5 carry to here and it becomes 55. 55 how many times? 55 5 times. So 5 into 11 55. Do subtraction here. 55 minus 55 0 we get. Okay, here this is dividend, this is divisor, this is coefficient and this is remainder. Okay, see third problem. 18 divisor 7958. Okay, see here, write 18 table here now. 18 into 1 equal to 18. 18 into 2 equal to 36. 18 into 3 is equal to 54. 18 into 4 is equal to 72. 18 into 5 is equal to 90. Okay children, see here we have 79 here. 79 is in between 72 and 90. 79 is in between 72 and 90. Now I am taking 4 times. నేను 4 టైమ్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను ఇక్కడ, ఎందుకంటే 79కి నియర్గా ఉన్న వాల్యూ 72. సో 4 టైమ్స్ 18 into 4, 4 8s are 32 and 4 1s are 4 plus 3 72. Okay, do subtraction here. 9 minus 2 7 and 7 minus 7 0. So I am taking this carry 5 to here. Okay, in 75 how many times? Again 4 times, ఎందుకంటే 72 అనేది 75కి దగ్గరగా ఉన్న వాల్యూ. సో again 4 times, again 72 here. Do subtraction here. 5 minus 2 3, 7 minus 7 0. Now take this 8 carry to here. Okay, 38 now. Now it becomes 38. In 18 table 38 how many times? 38 is in between 36 and 54. That's why I am taking nearer value 36. It is 2 times. 18 2s 36. Do subtraction here. 8 minus 6 2, 3 minus 3 0. So here the remainder is 2. Here 2 is not in the 18 table. 2 is very much less than 18. That's why we have to stop here. 2 అనేది 18 కన్నా చాలా చిన్న వాల్యూ, అందుకే మనం ఇక్కడ వరకు చేసి ఆపేయచ్చు. It is remainder, it is coefficient. Okay children, see here children, fourth problem. 9108 divided by 15. So take 15 is a divisor and dividend is 9108. Okay, write 15 table here. 15 into 1 15, 15 into 2 30, 15 into 3 45, 15 into 4 60, 15 into 5 75, 15 into 6 90. Okay, see here we have 91 here. Take one more. 15 into 7 105. Okay, see here 91 is in between 90 and 105. So nearer value is what? 90. So take 6 times. I am taking 6 times. We know 15 into 6 what? 90. Now do subtraction here. 1 minus 0 1 and 9 minus 9 we get 0. Now I am taking this 0 to here. it becomes 10. Here if you see here 10 is less than 15. 10 is less than 15, so I am taking another carry to here and it becomes 108. Okay, and it becomes 108. మనం ఎప్పుడైతే టూ క్యారీస్ ఒకసారి కిందకి తీసుకుంటామో అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 0 యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, మనం ఎప్పుడైతే ఎక్స్ట్రా డిజిట్ కిందకి తీసుకొచ్చుకుంటామో అప్పుడు 0 యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, నౌ 108, it becomes 108. How many times? 7 times. 105 is nearer to 108, so it becomes 7 times 105. Take subtraction here. 8 minus 5, 3, 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So what is the remainder here? 3 is the remainder and 607 is the coefficient. Okay children, see, I am explaining one more time here. First of all, 91 is 6 times, that's why I am placing 90 and subtraction here, and here we get 1. Now I am taking this 0 to here, it becomes 10 now. 10 is smaller than 15. 10 అనేది 15 కన్నా చిన్నది, సో మనం ఇక్కడ డివిజన్ చేయలేం. దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ 8 హియర్. ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ 8 ఆల్సో. నేను 8 కూడా కిందకి తీసుకొచ్చుకున్నాను. నౌ వెన్ ఎవర్ వీ టేక్ 2 డిజిట్స్ ఎట్ ఎ టైమ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ప్లేస్ 0 హియర్. మనం ఎప్పుడైతే 8ని కింద 2 డిజిట్స్ని 2 నెంబర్స్ని ఒకసారి కిందకి తీసుకొచ్చుకుంటామో అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనం 0 ప్లేస్ చేయాలి. నౌ ఇట్ బికమ్స్ 108. 108 is nearer to 105. How many times? 7 times. So 7 times, 7 into 15, 105. We have to do subtraction here and it becomes 3. So 3 is the remainder and 607 is the coefficient. Okay children? Okay children, open page number 9. In that page number 22nd sum. In this I already said 1, 2, 3, 4. Now మీరు హోంవర్క్ 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ఈ 4 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ హోంవర్క్ చేయండి. మనం రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ టుమారో క్లాస్లో డిస్కస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, డూ దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ యాజ్ హోంవర్క్. థ్యాంక్ యూ చిల్డ్రన్, బాయ్, సీ యూ టుమారో.